Namaste, Namaskaram, na peru Manjunath. I'm an AMC Health Ambassador. I happened to see AMC Cookware live demonstration in one of its branches. After seeing the performance of the cookware, after tasting the healthy food in AMC, after enjoying the health benefits offered by AMC Cookware, I've decided to promote this eat better, live better concept to as many people as possible. That is how I joined as an AMC Health Ambassador. First of all, welcome to all of you for this video. AMC is a Swiss-German multinational company founded in 1963. It is headquartered in Switzerland. AMC is the original and the #1 cookware worldwide for over 55 years. AMC is there in India for the last 20 plus years. We have received many international awards for its beautiful design and superior technology. Millions and millions of customers all over the world have been using AMC. In India, we have lakhs and lakhs of customers who have been enjoying the health benefits offered by AMC every single day. The world's most intelligent cookware. So AMC cookware is made up of high-grade steel without any coating. It is non-porous, non-reactive and non-corrosive. Because of its non-porosity nature, so we can cook without oil in AMC. So it has a special base which is an alloy. It absorbs heat quickly, distributes the heat evenly and retains the heat like a battery for a very long period of time. So we can save 50% of gas because of this Acutum capsule base. So when we start cooking in AMC, when we supply the heat, temperature inside the cookware rises. The rise in temperature is detected by this sensotherm, and the temperature is shown in the visiotherm. At what temperature the food is being cooked inside the cookware, so is shown in this visiotherm. So because of the visiotherm, we can cook in waterless and fatless way in AMC without worrying about the food getting burnt. And with the help of this visiotherm, we can cook the food at the right temperature. So right temperature is the key in cooking. When we cook the food at the right temperature, we can retain maximum nutrition values in it. So we can enjoy the original taste of the food. When we cook vegetables with water, every vegetable has a natural salt. The natural salt doesn't get dissolved here in AMC because we are not using water. So we have to add less salt to the food, which is good for our health. Okay. This is audiotherm. So you place the audiotherm on the visiotherm and set the desired level. Once the needle comes to the desired level, audiotherm gives a beep sound. It gives an alarm. Now let us come back to the chart. So we can do fatless cooking in AMC. I'm sure you all know oil is unhealthy. It causes high cholesterol, diabetes, obesity and heart problems. And overheated oil should not be used. It is harmful. See, many people have a misconception that oil gives the taste. So it is not the oil which gives the taste to the food. Dish gets the taste from the food. It is not actually from the oil. So when we cook in a fatless way, the low calorie, low fat food keeps us fit and healthy, and you get the original taste of the food. The oil doesn't splash on the tiles in the kitchen. It won't get greasy. Cleaning the greasy tiles is a very, very difficult job for ladies in the kitchen, and it saves effort for cleaning the stains. And since we are not using oil, we don't get fumes, so no problem of suffocation in the kitchen. In AMC, we can do waterless cooking. We can cook vegetables without water so that we can retain maximum nutritional values in it. I would like to give you a small example. When we prepare a tea with tea leaves, water draws all the goodness from the tea leaves. The color, flavor, taste, everything come into the water. So we throw the tea leaves. Vegetables also, okay, when we cook with water, water draws all the goodness of vegetables, vitamins, minerals, color, taste, everything come into the water. But in AMC we can cook vegetables without water. We use whatever the moisture, inherent moisture is there in the vegetables to cook them. When we cook so, all the natural juices, the nutrition values are retained, okay, in the vegetables. That gives us a very healthy and tasty, nutritious, okay, food. When we cook vegetables with water, every vegetable has a natural salt. The natural salt doesn't get dissolved, okay, here in AMC because we are not using water. So we have to add less salt to the food, which is good for our health. AMC makes our cooking very easy and comfortable. So AMC no sticking. Even if you don't use oil, food don't stick in AMC because of the superior metal we are using. And handles don't get hot in AMC because you can see there is a thermo block. This thermo block doesn't allow the handle to get hot, which you can handle easily. And safe grip lid knobs. Okay, all the lids, have a knob which will protect our finger from the heat. And dripless lid. When the cooking is over, when we remove the lid, the moisture gets collected in this group. It doesn't fall, okay, on us. And these handles sit comfortably on the side. Okay, it looks beautiful. Your ladles can be kept on the other side. And AMC cookware has a double bit edge. When you want to transfer the food from AMC cookware to the other container, nothing will spill to the sides. And we can use this lid as a coaster when you want to serve on the dining table. So it looks beautiful on the dining table. And it is very, very easy to clean the AMC cookware. Inside you can use Scotch-Brite. Outside, which is shiny, you have to use only the sponge so that you can maintain the beauty of the cookware for a long time. And it is very, very easy to store the cookware, especially in the smaller kitchens. You don't have to worry about the space. You can stack the cookware, okay, one into the other. So we can stack the cookware like this. So we can stack the cookware like this. It occupies very less space. Okay. Enhance your cookware with the AMC SecuQuick. So SecuQuick is a rapid cooking system. Okay, this comes in two sizes: 20 centimeter SecuQuick for 20 centimeter units, 24 centimeter SecuQuick for all the 24 centimeter units. As the name says, SecuQuick, it is secure and very quick. So it has 4 safety valves. 1, 2, 3, 4. So because of these 4 safety valves, it is absolutely secure and it is very easy to maintain and clean this SecuQuick plate because it is easily removable. So by using the SecuQuick, you can cook dal in just 5 minutes, okay, mutton in just 10 minutes, your rajma, your chole can be cooked, very quick and fast with the help of this SecuQuick. You have to place the SecuQuick, so like this, and just lock it. So it is tight. So you have to remove, so like this, and it has a pressure releaser. Okay, if you press the yellow button, so pressure will be released if you want to cook fast. So by using the SecuQuick lid, you can save 70% of your time and 50% of your gas. Good eating depends on 3 things. Right shopping. So we buy quality ingredients. Many of us prepare fresh masalas at home. And right balance is we have to have vegetables that are of different color. so that different vitamins and minerals we get. So for protein requirement, vegetarians can have dal, non-vegetarians can have dal and meat. All of us know that we should have a wholesome breakfast, moderate lunch and very light dinner. As far as possible, we have to avoid additives and preservatives, and we should not use the overheated oil again. So frying is made easy in AMC with the help of Eurasia wok, as I said earlier. So you can do deep fry here. The food doesn't absorb more oil. Okay. Food oily ekko peelchukodanamata indulo, and oil doesn't get overheated. It doesn't become thicker. The color will not change. So super steaming is possible with AMC with the help of super steamer, easy quick. So with this lid, we can make idlis, doklas and modaks very easily. It has two gaskets. Okay, because of two gaskets, it can be used on 20 centimeter and 24 centimeter units. So 20 centimeter and 24 centimeter unit. Like this. Once you have AMC cookware, no need to have an oven. So you can do baking and roasting in AMC cookware on your gas stove or on the induction stove. I've already explained to you how the baking can be done in AMC. Using AMC every day for breakfast, lunch and dinner, we can save 80% of oil, 50% of gas and 20% on the shrinkage of the vegetables. I have been using AMC for the last 15 years. We are a family of 5. Okay, we are saving almost 1,000 rupees on oil, gas and shrinkage of food every month. Over a period of 1 year, it is around 12,000 rupees. So AMC is a very, very good investment. Whatever the money we invest, we will get back in the form of saving on oil, gas and shrinkage of food over a period of time. So thanks for listening to my presentation so patiently. So if you want to know more about AMC cookware, if you want to own AMC cookware, or you want to earn money during your free time, or you want to build a career in AMC as an AMC health ambassador, please contact the person who is posting this video to you, or so you can contact me. My name is R. Manjunath. My phone number is 9901562131. Once again I will tell you, 9901562131.